this is Dean from 5150. Today we're going to unpack and set up our new Gazelle T4 tent. Come join us. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. So this is a pop-up tent. It takes about 90 seconds to set up. We did a review on the T3 about a month or so ago. We really liked it. We decided to go with the T4 because it's taller. Give it a shot. It's a bigger tent. Some of the specs are it sleeps 4. It's 94 inches by 94 inches. The height of it is 78 inches. Square footage for the floor is 61 square feet. Let's go ahead and unbox it. We decided to go with the orange for the T4. Our T3 is green. This tent's a lot longer. It won't fit sideways in our vehicle. Yeah, it's the T3 is about this, comes to about here to there. I like that size just for fitting in the Jeep. Undo the strap. There. I'm going to lay that on the ground here. Comes with a bunch of, it's the stake bag. And the guide wires. So it comes with some pretty nice heavy-duty stakes instead of those little skinny aluminum ones. These ones are actually pretty nice considering. Got directions how to set the tent up, and then guide wires. Another nice feature is they have, actually the directions are sewn right to the stuff sack of the tent. It's not, it's kind of a plasticky direction, so it won't be bothered by water. It won't destroy. Okay, let's go ahead and set this up. Should be set up the same way as the T3 did. We'll put the rain fly on, but we're gonna pop it up first. Let's go ahead and open up the door. Ryan, can you stand up in the middle? Ryan's 6. How tall are you, Ryan?
6'3", 6'2".
He can stand up in the middle. It's a lot bigger than the other 10, huh? As a T3. Same configuration on the windows. It's got 6 windows. This is the door. We'll come back to that. Got 2 doors. Again, there are YKK zippers. There we go. And a lot of ventilation in here. This is part of the hub design here. It's got 4 pockets, 1 in each side wall. Again, the floor, it velcroed in. You can take it out, just like on the T3. Up here, you can got places to put. You can put just a light up there if you wanted to, or camping gear. These also come down. You can hang a light here. I think I like the color of the orange better too. It just seems a little happier. Here you can put camping gear, some jackets, sweaters, socks, whatever you need. This is the secondary door here. Kind of nice. Want to see some magic? So here I am. Going around. Voila! We're on the new side here, on the other side. Really nice. Doors are a lot easier to get into since it's bigger too. So when you're getting older like me, I'm gonna now. This is the rain fly. Go ahead and put this on. So in here, you just take the fiberglass pole with the metal couplers on it. Just snap it in there like that. Right here. Then we got these clips. This is where you would tie the guy line and stick it down in a heavy wind. I have seen videos, people say this pops in pretty easy. I don't think it does. I mean, I'm hitting that pretty good. But if it's a big wind, you just stake this out to the ground. We got nice big round grommets here. You can also stake it down to the ground. And you got one of these on each corner, each of the 4 walls. What I do like about this tent, it's kind of geodesic dome, kind of like the old North Faces VR 24, 25s, if you guys are familiar with those tents, which were a true high expedition backpacking tent. This is not that, of course, but it's got similar characteristics. This is how it's got these poles that cross quite a bit. So it does have screen doors. They do wind up. Heading out to Big Bear this weekend, Labor Day, and we'll do a review once we get out there and get it set up and let you know. Well, tell me what you guys think. I think I like this definitely better than the T3. It's definitely bigger. It's much longer. It's going to be a little harder to fit in my Jeep. I'll definitely have to put the rear seat down. I may have to put it up on the roof rack, or if I go out with my boys, they can put in one of their Jeep Comanches. Anyways, tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. Please remember to smash that subscribe and like button, and thank you very much.